Video 5 is here. We're in video 5. All right, so this one is the complete roadmap, how to master your airbrush techniques using my course in 0 to 60 days. Now, I'm an overachiever. You don't have to be, but honestly, in the first 3 to 5 days, you can really get down the main points. In my course specifically, I do have sections where you can submit your work and I actually look at it. And I'll offer you any critiques or any high points that you might need to change in order to get a better application, smoother application, or a quicker application. Whatever questions you have, you can definitely ask them there. Remember, this is the Airbrush Fast Track. It's a 5-video series showing you how you can get faster and master airbrush and your profit. We already talked about how a few nail techs are just not comfortable charging what they need to charge for their nail work. And I get it. Maybe you've been in the industry for a few years, you're getting burnt out because you're doing everybody and it's taking you a long time. But if you just recalibrate, think to yourself, if I can get a little bit faster and every single client doesn't take 3 or 4 hours, maybe every single client takes 90 minutes to 2 hours, you're saving yourself money because you're not spending all day on clients offering every single thing under the sun and not getting paid for it. The Airbrush Elevated course, which is my fast track course to airbrush not just proficiency but mastery, is linked below. In the lessons, I am going to teach you with nail art techniques how to get faster. I'm going to teach you trigger control, layering, stencils, ombres, color mixing, all of these things that you need to know to be able to have that muscle memory created so where you can do airbrush nail art real quick on your client, still have impactful work done, and make money. This economy requires coins. Gas is like $40. I have a Nissan Versa. It used to be like $22 to fill my car up. It was $40 the other day. But I made that in nail art on one client. Now you're thinking $40 just for nail art? I've been doing nails for a long time, so I do charge a significant rate. I'm very confident on my skills, on my products, everything that I have. I'm very confident. If you're not there yet, that's cool. But I just want you to consider, if you upsell at least 2 or 3 clients a day, $20 a nail art, because a 20 is basically a $5 bill now. If you upsell each client $20 a nail art, you will see an increase in your pocket. And then that same nail art that you're doing on those clients that they love, that they're telling their friends about, and they're referring their friends to you, you're also posting it on your different socials. Hey, this is the kind of stuff that I do at my salon, blah, blah, blah. And you're getting bookings for that. You're talking about it on your TikTok. Oh, client came in, she had this look, this is what she wanted, this is what she got, and I was able to do it in 20 minutes with airbrush so that she can get her nails on her lunch. That's the upsell right there. That's the bringing them in point. Everybody is physically going back to work now. Everybody's physically going back to work, which means sometimes they're going to bring that laptop into your salon suite. They're going to be doing work while you holding their hands and getting them in and out quickly. They got to pick up kids. They got a grocery shop. They have all these things that they're doing. And guess what? They're also still doing self-care, getting their nails done with you. You can make this something that your client loves. 1, you learn new skills, and those new skills translate to them getting in and out of your chair quicker. 3, you offer those services to them because they're premium. Everybody wants something that they think nobody else can get. That's why so many people want a Louis Vuitton purse, even though it's not made out of real leather, because it has the connotation that not everybody can pay $1,500 for a bag, but they can. So the people that's wearing not Louis Vuitton that want it are always envious of the people that can get it. Right? So you want people to see your work out in them streets and be like, oh my God, who did your nails? You also want your client to feel good about their nails. And they feel good about their nails because they're different, because they know that you put a lot of effort and energy into it, even though it didn't take you a lot of time. That's when they get them compliments and they're like, oh my God, my nail girl is the best. That also keeps nail clients coming back. You give them euphoric feelings through your nail work. And you're probably thinking like, that's not a thing. It is. Believe me, it is. When they come in after 3 weeks and the nails is significantly grown out, but that nail art is still intact, I'm still getting compliments today. You want that every single time. You want that every single time. It keeps them coming back. In an economy like this, you want them to keep coming back because you make them feel good. And that is the basis of majority of the purchases that people are making now. They want to buy stuff that makes them feel good. They want to get services that makes them feel good. You're offering a premium service. You're timely. It's neat. And that was all done because you went through Airbrush Elevated. You learned how to control your spray, control your airbrush. You downloaded the free guide. You used it to practice where you're spraying and get your precision down and together. Why? Because learning this technique and mastering it before you get on clients saves you time and effort, and it still brings you in the coins. That is the whole point of the game. You want to bring in coins. You also still need to have your time off and your days to create without having clients, and that can be done once you master a technique specifically built for speed and accuracy. Another thing that I want to stress to you is that this course actually beats the YouTube rabbit holes. It does. There's a such thing as wasting time. There is. And you're wasting time trying to figure out every single thing and piecing all of this knowledge together only to come out with nothing but frustration. I put all those tools, all the tricks, all the information into Airbrush Elevated. And not only did I add those lessons, the stencils are included. You can use these stencils with anybody's airbrush paints, anybody's airbrush gels, and I do not recommend gel polishing acetone just because you shouldn't be doing that, but you can use that with these stencils. The lessons will teach you layering. The lessons will teach you blending. The lessons will teach you all the little nuances that you need to learn about airbrush nail art that just don't come across in these airbrush videos that are on YouTube. And the reason it doesn't is because those people are specifically getting on here to show you how to do it, but they're also trying to get their views. So they're probably not thinking as a teacher. I am a teacher. I have been teaching this technique and others for so long that I understand what students need to learn when it comes to airbrush. They need to learn the trigger control, but how much do you pull back? A millimeter or a little bit? How many passes do I do on each nail when I'm applying my color? What is the degree angle that my airbrush is supposed to be held at in order to achieve specific looks? I got that. How am I airbrushing over a curved surface? How do I make sure that this is faster than using pat gels? All of those questions are answered for you in the Airbrush Elevated course. And in addition to that, you get the stencils, you also get critiques, and I do contests too with my students in the course in order to keep them encouraged. Like, it's quick to learn and it's quick and easy to do, but I do understand that sometimes you just need to be hyped up. And that's what I am. I'm your cheerleader for you when learning how to master techniques in order to build a clientele. And if you don't believe me, you can just look at the things that the students have been saying. It's here. It's on my website. I don't have the coins to pay a bunch of people to say good things about me. So they actually have to say them genuinely. Okay. That. Number 2, I've been doing nails for 22 years. That's so many different economies, so many different crashes, so many different wars. In no way, shape, form, or fashion have I ever lost money doing nails when I learned a new technique in any economy. Believe me, because I've been through a lot of them. So many. Housing crashes, desert storms, so many things have always been happening. And not one time, with the exception of COVID, did we ever not still have to keep going work and producing an income to take care of ourselves. What you need to do right now is take advantage of this opportunity to learn something that nobody else is teaching you online without you paying thousands of dollars. Believe me, thousands of dollars. I know those people that teach those courses, they got me blocked because they think I'm charging too cheap for it. And I'm not. I'm giving you the technique. I'm giving you the tools. And eventually you'll probably come back and join something else that I have. And that's cool. And if you don't, that's also cool. But down below, you're going to see the link for the Airbrush Elevated course. Take the initiative to change your business around literally today. Add something new, promote something new, and watch it generate a new type of income for you. I appreciate you watching my videos. This is the last video in the series of the Airbrush Fast Track to Mastering Profits in Airbrush Nail Art. And it's been a joy. I'll see you on the internet. And I'm also going to link a few other videos down below for you that you can watch to see my teaching style and also to be like, okay, I want to work with her. All right. Have a good one. Bye.